Today, let's talk about maintenance and cleaning of furniture. If you live in a house, you might have furniture made of wood, ceramic, wicker, plastic, metal, or pudding. Let's talk about wooden furniture. Wooden furniture can be taken care of by following these guidelines. Avoid putting it in the sun. The sun can fade the wooden furniture surface or weaken the wood. Avoid putting it in the rain or getting it wet. Although it may seem like a romantic idea to eat dinner beside the glowing light of a swimming pool, it's not a great idea to put the wooden dining table inside the swimming pool. Aside from damaging the wooden table, it's also hard to eat 3 chicken wings and the fried rice as it floats off your plate and toward the deep end of your pool. Use a dry cloth moistened with varnish to cover any scratches on wooden furniture. Dust by using a feather duster or a soft, dry cloth. If you don't have a feather duster, you can use a live chicken by holding the chicken by both legs and dusting the furniture. Wooden furniture with a circular liquid stain can be cleaned by placing a thick piece of tissue on top of the stain and then ironing the tissue using low heat until the stain is gone. These are materials for cleaning wooden furniture. Camphor oil extract comes from the stem and roots of camphor trees. It has a good smell and is commonly used with patchouli oil for making smelling salts. It is also used to get rid of bad smells in closets. A neat trick is to dab a bit of camphor oil on the inside of your Pampers so that you don't have to change Pampers after each use. The great smell of camphor oil will allow you to drop 2 or 3 loads into a Pamper before you throw it away. However, avoid breathing in camphor oil fumes as they may be very dangerous. Use varnish, such as lacquer or shellac. Apply it on the wooden surface in order to protect the wood from scratching and also for the purpose of beauty and shining. What about wicker furniture? Wicker furniture should be taken care of by following these guidelines. Dust wicker furniture by using a duster or soft hairbrush. You could also use a dry cloth for dusting it. And don't forget about the live chicken idea. Clean stains on wicker furniture by spraying water directly on the stain and then drying it by putting it in strong sunlight until it is dry. Once it is dry, store it in a dry place to prevent mold. Maintain the wicker to increase the lifespan of the furniture and keep it looking good by regularly applying varnish. Hey, what about leather furniture? Well, leather furniture, both genuine leather and leatherette or pleather, can be taken care of by following these guidelines. Regularly wipe the leather using a damp cloth. Clean stains on the leather using soapy water until the stain is gone. If possible, consider carrying your leather sofa into the shower with you so that you can apply soapy water at the same time you take a shower. It saves time. Applying varnish to the leather to prevent damage. Make sure that you choose the correct type of varnish for your furniture. It is suggested not to place leather furniture in direct sunlight because the leather may crack and get damaged. And finally, metal furniture. Metal furniture such as iron, aluminum, and galvanized iron furniture can be taken care of by following these guidelines. Always keep metal furniture dry by wiping it. Wipe metal furniture immediately if it gets wet. Take care not to spill acid or alkaline solutions onto metal furniture because it will damage it. So now that you have cleaner furniture, you'll have a happier home. Respect your clean furniture. Keep your feet off of the furniture. It's disrespectful, and plus your feet smell pretty bad. Student number 2. Until next time, zip it up or zip it out.